When I was a kid, every time the doorbell rang, I would knock over furniture, push over toys, push people over, anything to get to the door first. I got it, Nana! I got it! Because every time the doorbell rang, hope would surge in my heart. Because I would be thinking, you know what? This could be the moment. This could be it. This could be the one. This could be my daddy! Hey, I'm here to install the cable. Uh-huh. And, are you my daddy? I don't think so. I'm just here about the cable. I get it. You're on the DL. I'll go with you on that. Okay. Hey, did you ever whistle at a pretty girl in Winchester, Mass? Winchester? I don't know if I've ever... If you're my daddy, blink twice. Nana, he did it! He blinked twice! Yeah, he wasn't it. Neither was the milkman, or the pizza guy, or the mailman. They'd all requested new positions. But every time the doorbell rang, huge glimmer of hope would surge inside my little heart. And every time it wasn't my father, it felt like a knife piercing that same little heart.